Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about a strategy that you need to implement to successfully execute and become a successful dropshipping business. Now, one of the major things that you need to understand before you get into this industry is the fact that what you need to do and how you need to do it. And that is the reason why we are bringing to you an element that will truly give you a competitive advantage in the industry. There's so many people that are doing dropshipping right now. You need to understand and do something differently from them. And obviously, the best place to start your journey for dropshipping business is Shopify, because this is the global commerce platform that can build your business and you can sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. And you can discover why millions of entrepreneurs are choosing Shopify to build their business. And millions of merchants are online right now and selling on Shopify. And the good thing is that it gives us an opportunity to look at things that they've done right and what they have done wrong and learn from those mistakes and implement the right elements to ensure that we do not make those mistakes and we can also scale our dropshipping business. They're available in 170 countries with a total US commerce of 10% and a global economic activity of $444 billion. And one of the major things and the reasons why I always recommend individuals to start using Shopify is because you can bring your vision to life with your simple drag and drop store creators, and there's no coding expertise required at all. You just need your idea and you're good to go. You don't need to have a front-end developer, a back-end developer, a UI UX individuals, and you can select from customizable templates that are created by a community of world-class designers. You can even add more features and functionalities to your online store with the apps that are built by trusted Shopify developers. Now, this is the place where I want to hold you guys, because we have done a lot of different videos on how to set up an account and what strategy to implement, but today we're going to focus on one of the most important elements, the landing page. And obviously the theme that you require is crucial, because at the end of the day, when an individual comes to your store to buy a product or service or an item that you have added to your store, they want to make sure that they are coming to a place that is based on reality, based on quality, and based on the ability to deliver that particular product to them in a timely base. And that really is determined by the performance and appearance of your website, of your landing page, of your individuality shop, that gives them a individual essence of understanding that would you be able to do what you claim you're able to do. And that is the reason why I would like to introduce to you guys a very important website, which is called Envato. The Envato elements are very interesting, guys. You can head over to this website and check out the video templates, the graphic templates, the presentation templates, the photos, the fonts, the WordPress, the 3Ds, and royalty-free music that's available, with 12 million assets available with simple licensing, and you can cancel anytime. They have plans and prices available from individuals, students, teams, and enterprises, and you can join over 500,000 people worldwide that are using this particular element to scale their business, to become independent and develop a store that truly matters. What we need to do is search for Shopify, and as we search for Shopify, we will be able to see all the templates that are available for Shopify, and we can select from these templates. These templates are going to give us a competitive advantage, and as we look at all these amazing templates, from the CMS, from the graphic templates, from the web templates, from the graphics and video templates, it really matters at the end of the day what sort of business you're developing, what sort of drop shipping element and the products that you're selling that you want to get across to your individuals. For example, if you want to sell electronic related elements, you can get this template. And the beauty of this is that you don't need to actually get individuals to develop it. Everything is made and ready to use. The theme features from powerful customization, automatic price change, quick view product color, smart product quick views, and every single element is available. All you need to do is get this particular template and you're good to go. So let's check out one of these templates and see how it works. For example, if we go for the multi-purpose use template over here and we click on live preview, we can actually see how this particular store is going to look like. And guys, one of the most important elements over here to keep in mind is the fact that whenever you build the sites, whenever you have this element, you want to make sure that you have the right element available. So let's check one of these home pages. This looks quite interesting, guys. So if we go for the catalog element over here, you can easily get this element, this theme, and install it on your Shopify account. And what that is going to do is it's going to give you a professional feel. This is what your dashboard, this is what your landing page, this is what your shop is going to look like. You would have the price, you would have the filters, you would have the information. Everything is going to be ready for you to use. All you would need to do is put your information in and you're good to go. From the coordinations, from the elements of payouts, and the cards are already going to be available for you. you. You would just need to link everything into place, and then you can easily use it. And that is one of the reasons I always tell individuals to look at the best element that you can use. If you click on best sales, you'll be able to see how this store is going to function, how your landing page is going to function. Everything is customizable, guys. You can change your logo, you can change any information that's on this particular store, and you can add any information you want to add. You can remove any information you want to remove. You can add different elements to it, because the full customization is available for you. The second place I would recommend for you guys is to go and check the Wookie multi-purpose Shopify theme. This is a very interesting theme, guys, and if you look at the live preview, you would be able to see the power of this particular theme and see how important individuals are using this theme to become individuality and differentiate themselves and get a competitive advantage, and see exactly why this really stands out. Just look at how strong this element looks, the way they have developed it, the way they have presented it. These are individuals that have decades of experience. These are individuals that have used UI and UX and front-end, back-end developers to develop unique themes for you guys, and all we need to do is get these, plug this in, sit back, relax, and watch us become financially independent. And that is the reason why I always recommend to individuals to select the theme that works for them. If you click on the above over here, you can go to portfolio and you can see exactly all the different elements that are available. This is based on the graphics. So a lot of time, as psychologists suggest, humans want to get individuality, and that is the reason when we look at someone wearing something, using something, we're inclined to buy that particular item. And that is the reason why I tell individuals to read customer psychology, to understand the perspective of the buyer. And when they understand the perspective of the buyer, they're able to cater for their needs. And that is the reason why I'm introducing you to the third and most important element over here, which is the multi-purpose WordPress themes that you can easily install and get for your Shopify store. And looking at these amazing elements over with different color coordinations and all the different elements from unique and modern styles, high performances, mobile optimized designs, and the Elementor page developers. The X-Store multi-purpose, which I personally feel is quite interesting, is only for $59, and getting this and installing it will definitely give you a competitive advantage. Looking at all these amazing styles and individuals that are using this, you can definitely get this product, this theme, install it, and see your store go tenfold. And why I believe this is going to be very unique, because this has the potential to become a very interesting element. Looking at the way that they developed individual things, the way they've developed their store, the way they've given information to the buyer, it gives a complete, clean, sleek look for individuals to see that this is a store that means business. This is a professional landing page that's been developed by individuals that have invested their time, that have invested their money, that has invested their skill. And obviously, combining all these elements, you're able to create something that is truly unique, guys. If you need any help, any support, any guidance in selecting the right theme, you can always ask in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, assist you, and guide you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.